Hello and welcome to the first episode of English Quiz for Grade 2 students. I am very excited to test your knowledge of English language and grammar. Are you ready to have some fun and learn something new? Let's begin with the first question. Which word rhymes with cat? The correct answer is letter D. The word hat rhymes with cat because they both end with the at sound. When two words rhyme, they have similar sounds at the end. Rhyming words often share the same ending sound or syllable. Question number 2. What is the opposite of hot? The correct answer is letter A. The opposite of hot is cold. Hot refers to something that has a high temperature, while cold refers to something that has a low temperature. Opposite words have meanings that are completely different from each other. Knowing opposite words helps us understand contrasting ideas and concepts in language. Question number 3. Choose the correct spelling of the color that represents the sky. The answer is letter C. The correct spelling of the color that represents the sky is BLU and E. Correct spelling is important for effective written communication. Knowing how to spell words correctly helps convey meaning accurately and facilitates clear understanding. Question number 4. What is the opposite of heavy? The correct answer is letter B. The opposite of heavy is light. Heavy refers to something that has a lot of weight or mass, while light refers to something that has little weight or mass. Knowing opposite words helps us describe and compare different qualities or characteristics. Moving on to number 5. Choose the word that means the same as happy. The correct answer is letter C. The word excited means the same as happy. Both excited and happy describe positive emotions or feelings of joy. Being able to identify and understand words with similar meanings helps us express our emotions and thoughts more precisely. Question number 6. What is the opposite of wet? The correct answer is letter A. The opposite of wet is dry. Wet refers to something that is moist or has liquid on its surface, while dry refers to something that lacks moisture or liquid. Number 7. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. I like to play blank my friends. The answer is letter C. The correct word to complete the sentence is with. When we play with someone, it means we actively engage in an activity or game together. Understanding and using prepositions properly helps convey our intentions or actions accurately in sentences. Question number 8. Which word is an adjective? The correct answer is letter B. An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun. In this case, fast describes how something is done, and it is the only option given that fits this definition. Moving on to number 9. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. I blank my breakfast every morning. The answer is letter A. The correct word to complete the sentence is eat. The sentence is talking about a repeated action in the present, so we use the base form of the verb, which is eat. Verbs change their form depending on the tense and subject of a sentence, and knowing the correct form helps communicate our thoughts clearly. Lastly, which word best completes the sentence, she blank her homework before dinner? The correct answer is letter C. The sentence is in the past tense, which means that the action of doing homework happened before the present time. The past tense form of the verb do is did. The other options are either in the present tense, do, does, or the past participle done, which do not fit the sentence. Congratulations, you have completed the English quiz. You did a great job answering the questions. I hope you learned something new and had fun along the way. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for taking the quiz with me. I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.